Hello everyone. In this video, I will introduce to SK2000 welding system. This video is explained with a 1500 watt laser. After the machine is powered on, the screen starts. Enter the welding interface. Power output. Set the current laser power in watt, e.g. 800 W. Swing width sets the width of the swing motor swing. Swing speed sets the speed of the swing motor. Wire feed speed is for wire feeding during welding. This is the current profile name. Mode selection. Click on it. Select the corresponding working mode according to needs. There are continuous welding, spot welding, fish scale welding, cleaning, cutting, etc. A cutting nozzle is required for cutting. Cleaning requires additional cleaning components, optional. The wire feeder switch starts feeding during welding. Safe lock. The laser head and ground lock are connected before light, and the signal light is on. The trigger signal turns on when the trigger is pulled. This is for demonstration purposes. The laser is turned off. The gas valve turns red when it starts to work. After the cylinder pressure connection and installation are correct, clicking the valve, it will also turn orange. It will also turn red. Wire feeding button is mainly used to install the wire. Click the button. The button turns red and feeds wire continuously. Click close. Wire retraction button. It is mainly used to disassemble and replace the wire. Click the button. The button turns red and keeps returning wire. Click close. Save button. Click Save after modifying the parameters. Click Profile to enter the material library. The library can store 10 sets of common welding parameters. Click Monitor to enter the monitoring interface. The current machine configuration uses safety lock, laser trigger, laser alarm, air pressure alarm, red light indicator and other functions. This is the serial number. This is the version number. This is the authorization time. It's permanently activated. The production time. It refers to the time when the controller system produced. Click the Parameter button to enter the Welding Parameter Settings interface. Password is 123456. Click Confirm. Power setting. It refers to the maximum power of the current laser. Other parameters are default as shown. Click Language. Select the corresponding language and click Close. Click Save. Click to enter the activation page. This is the serial number. Each machine has a unique serial number. This is the activation code. The current machine has been permanently activated. Click to enter the Songshi parameter interface. Spot welding wire feed. Spot welding wire feed time is the current reference value. Spot welding stop. The current time for spot welding stop is a reference. Feed compensation length is 12 mm by default. The length is currently a reference value. The welding speed after welding is. The automatic maintenance speed is the reference default. One-click speed welding interface. The current wire feed speed is the reference default. The introduction of the SK system is over. Thank you.